when I was just a young lad, footloose and fancy free. Well, I went down and I went to work in the furniture factory. I got the blues, the furniture factory blues. Well, they put me to gluing blocks.
One of the first people I met when I started reporting this book was a displaced worker from Stanley Furniture named Wanda Perdue. And she said to me that she wanted me to go to Indonesia and come back and explain to her why we couldn't do that here anymore. And in many ways, Factory Man sets out to answer that question. Talking to some of the workers in Indonesia who just a few years ago were working in rice paddies in order to feed their families, but were now coming in and joining the cash economy in this developing country, it reminded me a lot of the parallels with farmers and sharecroppers coming to work at Bassett Furniture in the early 1900s for their first paycheck as the Industrial Revolution made its way to Southside Virginia. One of the striking things we heard over and over from the Indonesians is that they are very aware where their jobs came from, and they see their wages going up 2, 3, 4 times in just a few years, and they're very savvy about it. The workers understand that the company's wheels are probably already turning, looking for the next cheaper wage country, and they're very worried about losing their jobs.
I got out the liniment and I began to rub my head the blues, the furniture factory blues.